Okay, so if you are a beginner in forex trading, this video is the video you need to watch. Here I'll be talking about 5 topics. We have structure, types of trend, order flow, impulse and correction, major and minor structure. So this will be the part 1. I'll talk about candlesticks, time frame and the likes in part 2. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, in forex market, there are 2 things that happens. It is either we are buying or we are selling. Buying means going up, selling means coming down. It's as simple as that. So right here now we have structure. This is a buy model. This one right here is a buy model. This one here is a buy model. As you can see, we have a high, we have a low right here. Then price went up to take out this high, creating a new high. So in this case now, we already have a new high, which means that structure has been broken right here. That is why we have BOS as break of structure. That is, structure was broken to the upside. Let's look at the one for the sell. So in this case now, we have the sell model. Why do we call it sell structure? Because price, we have the high right here, we have the low right here, and price came down to print a new low. So since it is printing a new low for us, it means that this one is a sell model. That is, price is coming down and it took out this low. So because it took out this low at this level, that is why we regard it as break of structure, which is BOS. So BOS simply stands for break of structure. Now let's proceed to the next one here. The next one here, sorry. So now we have trend and order flow. Now in a case like this, when price continues to make higher highs, it has an high, another high, created another high. So that is, this is a low, this is a high, and then we have a new high, right? And then we have a new low right here, and then we have a new high. So it's just like when you are taking the stairs to the upside. So this is why this one is called up trend, just like upstairs. Yes, up trend. And the second one we have is down trend, just like downstairs, down trend. So it's as simple as that. What is downtrend? When price keeps breaking structure to the downside. That is the simple meaning of downtrend. It doesn't have to be complicated. So it's as simple as that. Now we have what we call side trend. That is, market is neither breaking structure to the upside or to the downside. Look at this, is the BOS level right here. Price went up. It didn't take out, when it came down like this one was supposed to take out this high, but it did not happen. Neither did it take out this low. It didn't happen either. So it was just ranging between this place. So that is why it is called sideways trend. Some people call it ranging. It can be called ranging market. It can be called ranging market. Now, for the FX dog trading strategy, we do not need sideways trend at all. We don't use it. We don't use it. So that is why I wouldn't want you to bother yourself much about this side trend. Now let's move on to the next one. So here now we'll be talking about major and minor structure. Remember, we've talked about structure, right? Breaking up the, what's it called, structure to the upside or to the downside. Now the next thing is we have major and minor structure. Look at this. From what we have right here, price takes out, it creates an high, comes here, creates a low, goes up to create another high, comes down to create a low, goes up to create a new high. It's as simple as that. Now I want you to pay attention to something. This is a high, this is a low, right? Price goes up, takes out this high, creating break of structure, which is BOS, creates another high, comes down, creates a new low, goes up to create a new high. Now, I want you to pay attention to something. Look here. You can see that in this case, price just took out this and took out this. But in this case now, you can see that there is an internal move. So I'm going to change the color of this to represent the aspect of the internal move. So let's say we represent the internal move with red. So you can see that there's a high here, a low here, right? And this one happens to be the internal move. Now let's check this third example. Now we have this as the major structure. So I'm going to take this as the major structure, this low here, this high here, a new low here. So I'm going to change all of this into um I'm going to change it into blue to represent the major. So let's change the colors to blue for the major structure. Now, minor structure can also be called internal structure. That is a structure that is a small structure that is inside a bigger structure. That is what we refer to as minor structure. It is a smaller structure inside a bigger structure. So here now we can refer to all of these two moves as minor structure inside this big structure. Let me complete this right here. So you can see this, and then price came to create a new low. Now you need to understand this. Watch this video over and over to ensure that you get it. So right here we have major structure just going up. Minor structure or internal structure, it will be within. It's just like the child. Yes. So it's like a pregnant woman carrying a child or a married woman with a child. So that's the way it is. So we've been able to cover minor structure. So in our next video, we'll be talking about candlesticks, how candlesticks form, and we'll also be talking about time frame. So let's quickly do something. Now that we understand, we have some level of understanding about trend structure and things like that. Yes, let's see what it looks like on the chart. Wow, this is cool. I already have this marked up right here. This is the trade of last week. Today is Monday, so these are the trades of last week. You can see what I marked here. So this is the practical right here. So price goes up, comes down. We have this move right here. It goes up, comes down. So I actually marked this on the H4 time frame, H1 time frame rather. So you can see it goes up, come down, it goes up again, comes down from here. So all these ones are what's it called? Major structure. So price went up from here and things like that. Then another thing that happened was that, look here, if you see when price was going up here now, while price was going up here to create this structure, now this is where the aspect of internal structures or minor structure comes in. You can see that it is creating series of moves inside it. It is creating series of moves inside it before it actually took out this eye. So which means that it is giving us a pattern that looks somewhat like this. Takes out this eye, comes back, takes out this eye, and one last push. So this is what we have. So this representing the breakup structure right here, which is the BOS, just like this one. And then we have the internal ones, the smaller BOS, which is the minor move. So you can see that Forex is not hard. Forex trading is not hard. Once you understand the basics, once you understand the basics of anything, you will be able to do it. Just like driving a car. Once you understand the basics, you will be able to drive once you keep on learning and then perfecting your skill. So like I said, I'll catch you in the next video where I'll be talking about candlestick, time frame, and lots more. See you in the next video. Bye.